Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about gold. So let's get it started. I'm going to go a little bit like fast forward of all those old charts, but I have to show because I'm always, having some new people, so they need to know what the heck I'm doing and where we stand. So let's get it started. This is the first chart. I'm going to start from the October 15th, 2022. This is a weekly chart I made, and it is the Elliott wave count, wave 1. Actually, wave 5, big wave 5 need to be started. So out of that, wave 5 also have 5 subwaves, which are this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 here, ABC correction. And then wave 5 will go to the upside, and that will finish the big wave 5, the parent wave 5, okay? So this wave 1, and then you can see here, this is something, it's very important that at the end, we're going to see as well. This is wave 2, flat correction, right? I'm going to explain a little bit later at the end what is a zigzag and what is a flat. But you can see that this wave 2 ends up having two waves, three waves, equal, almost equal, A, B, and C. Right, B here, and it's A, B, C, C. Now, notice that C didn't go below A, and B is almost as high as the high of wave 1. That is a flat correction, sideways completely. A little bit, up and down, yeah. It's not a geometry, right? It's a forex market. But zigzag is like this wave B is only 38% of this wave A. If you pull the fib from here to here, it will go here and then drop steeply to the downside. That would be a zigzag. I'll show you later on, right? So just keep in mind. Now, let's go. Move forward. Wave 4, and we need wave 5. Now, wave 5 will also have 5 small waves, right? So we will go and then see that how they are unfolding, if they are unfolding. So let's get started here. So next chart was, this is wave 5, and then prices start to go up. Then when there, my target was this, already marked here on the previous chart. You can see here 1920. It was, this band, and we got there. So here I made this chart down, 20th January 2023, that it will go up a little bit and then drop to 1802. And then it will go up. Look what happened. It's like charts are listening to me. Down, 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 exactly 1802, start bouncing, bounce, 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 and bounce. We go back, right? Now what? Is this going to go straight in a straight line? No, everything makes small waves. So when it was here, I made this chart that's going to go up, so it's going up. And here I made, okay, now from there on, right? It's like it's gonna take a breather around this area, right? So next, all of these are like my charts. My trades, the charts of my trades, long trades I took. But then I make this chart. This is an 80-minute chart, my special chart. It's like a daily chart. And this is showing that this is wave 4 ended the weekly, and then this is how we went up all the way to 1959 and 1920 and 59. And then from there on, I said that we're going to drop, so we did. And I said we're going to drop in like A, B, C fashion. So here, 1802, we came down, and then we start to go up. And I said, okay, hold on. We're not going to go in a straight line, but probably we're going to go here, post a wave B, and then we'll come down for wave C. Why is that? If this is wave 1 of 5, then we need a zigzag correction, or sometimes flat, but it's a zigzag is also happens in wave 2. So something like this. Keep in mind that the wave 1 and wave 2 comes in this fashion, right? But sometimes it's not. It's just wave 2 is like small wave, because if the pair is in a hurry or it's a lot of momentum, then it will go straight from point B, will not come down here, it will go straight to the upside. So that's what happened here. If I show you this chart again, so instead of coming down here like this one here, you have two options here at this point. Either it's going to come down and then go up, or it will go up straight like this, right? So what happened? Next chart, this happened. Instead of this, it took the second option and it went straight up. You see that? It took out this high and then it went up there. And that's where I made the chart, even though I don't even have a single red candle. But I said, no, it's not going to go up. It's going to go down now, because this could be wave one, subwave one, finishing around 1998. And then it's going to drop, for wave two, subwave two, around 61%, having a zigzag. That was my prediction. It can happen, a zigzag or a flat. Always remember. Now here, for example, I'm also showing zigzags, like A, B, C, right? But let me show you, I'm going to put a hold here, and then I'm going to show you another chart that you have wave one and wave two. It can come either zigzag or a flat. What does that mean? Let me show you. Now, this one is a zigzag. But if you have wave two as a zigzag, most likely, you're going to have a wave four as a flat correction. Flat, what the heck is flat? Flat is A equal B equal C. Means A, B equal same, and then B goes as close as the high of wave three, like a double top. Then it will come down in the territory of wave A as a double bottom, flat, going sideways, and then it will shoot for wave five or wave three, if this is wave two, right? That this phenomena can happen here, and then if that happens, then zigzag will happen here. This is called the law of alternation in Elliott wave theory. So either this and this, or this come here and that goes there. So now watch what's happening now. I'm going to take you to the live chart here. You see this? Instead of coming straight down here, A and then B and then C, a zigzag, what happened that it right from here, it went up, and it went up almost the same high as wave one high. So that now telling me that it probably having a flat instead of a zigzag. Zigzag, it should come from there all the way down here steeply, but it didn't. So it's probably folding a flat. Now I said the flat happened if the pair is in a hurry. It's going fast to the upside, and it's too much buying pressure, so it will not make a zigzag. So this would be wave one and two of wave three, but wave two having still I don't know, but this point of wave B is telling me that we might not go all the way down. Maybe around this area, this high, what the heck is that? 1933, right? It may come down there and then boom, goes up. But I'm just showing here that it can come down all the way here to the TL if it wants to, and then it will go up. So that would be wave two. So now we are off wave two, off wave three, off wave five, if that makes sense. All right. That's the language of Elliott wave theory, right? So that's how it is. A wave within wave within wave within wave. That happens. So this is what it is. That's what I'm thinking now. That somewhere here, it's up to this, chart of this metal, gold, that wherever it wants from here to the TL, somewhere here is going to make the turn and go to the upside. Now, this is my 80-minute chart. If I have a blue candle, I know that it's going to go up. So I'll go on my smaller time frame, right? 20-minute or 40-minute, and I'll see if I can find a long entry. Simple as that. So I'll take it from there, start taking the entries from there. Just like here, you see the red comes, and then all of a sudden the blue candle starts. Here it start to go up and then come down. So I didn't get my entry, but it start to go up, and see this wobble here and this wobble here. These are wobbles. These are my shorter time frame entries, and I take those to go to the upside. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Elliott wave is not that a good subject that people like. Most of people don't like it, but I have no choice to just show you that because this is what's happening. There's no harmonic pattern or anything here right now. Yeah, that's what it is. So it's easy if you understand it, right? It's not that rocket science. It's very easy. It's just a matter of understanding it. So what's the between failure and success? Learning. Simple. If you don't learn anything, even if you try to make a pizza, if you don't learn, boom, you cook something else. It's not pizza, right? So, but if you want to learn, you can learn to fly F-16, right? No problem. Learning. So that's what it is. All right. So this is it for now. I hope that you will catch the move, and I know I will, and I'll show you my trades. Just like my oil chart, I just made a video on oil, right? And it was like it's supposed to go up, and it went up, and I had a very, very nice trade today. Big trade, huge. All right, so this is it for now. This is it for now, and then I forgot about it. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, because I'm going to make some more videos about NASDAQ and DAX, and so maybe US dollar index as well, because that is moving now. And the yen index is moving very, very beautifully and giving me a lot of good trades. Today I had 2 trades in euro yen, 2 trades in pound yen, totaling more than 500 pip. I'll make a video and show it to you. And that is happening again and again and again in pound yen. 2 trades, at least 2 trades, 2 entries in one day, big one. Okay, this is the 3rd time that I'm doing it, last week and this week. So anyway, I'll show you that in a video. But this is what the gold is doing, and be prepared and take your trades. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys in NASDAQ video, I guess. Next, I will make it. I promised somebody, but I'm keep postponing. So I'm gonna make that tonight. All right. So bye for now, and hope to see you very soon. My throat is giving up. Okay, stop recording.